In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to export Claude AI conversations. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website of Claude. Now provide your credentials and log into your Claude account. Once logged in, you will be directed to this kind of dashboard. Now at the bottom left, you're going to find this profile icon. Click on that. Navigate to the option settings. Now head over to the option privacy. Here you're going to find this option of export data. Click on that. Now go ahead and select the time duration, then click on export. Claude will begin preparing your export request. Once it's ready, a download link will be sent to the email address associated with your account. So you can go ahead and check your mail. Open the email and click the download data button or link provided. Your exported data will then be downloaded to your device, usually as a zip file. Once the download is complete, you can extract the zip file to access your conversations and save data. That's all there is to it. You have successfully exported your Claude AI conversations and downloaded them to your device. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.